guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this fancy text using Canva. So what I did, I'm going to show you step by step in this video. I just want you guys to see how this looks like. You can see the text that you have a kiwi that we're talking about right inside the text itself. So I'm going to show you guys a step by step on how to do this, whether you're using Canva Pro or you're actually using a free Canva. This is easy to do, it's all free. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right guys, let's get right into this video. To start, I'm going to create a new design and Instagram post for my Canva site. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a text that is going to have this design that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm going to bring in this text, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in whatever I want. Tasty kiwis. Just the font size, the font type, and as well as the font color. So the next thing I'm going to do is choose the font color that suits my taste. For this design, I'm going to be using white. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a rectangle so that you guys can see what is happening there. So this rectangle is going to be going behind. Okay, I position this backwards so we have the tasty kiwi on it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of this to yellow. So the reason why I'm changing it to yellow is because I've really tried out several colors and I don't know why it wasn't working. So I decided that yellow was best fit because I did that and it worked. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to adjust this a bit more so it's very close to the text. Okay. So the text, I'm going to ensure that they are aligned to the left. So doing this, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring in the rectangle again, and I'm going to use it to kind of like cut out a bit of this part, and I'll fit this with this guy. So if you're actually okay with the spacing between this, you're fine, you're good to go. If not, I'm just going to adjust the line spacing a bit. I want them closer. So I would adjust this a bit as well. So when you're done, you have to just download this one because we need to remove the background. And the next thing you're going to do is you download this your design that you just made. Okay. Ensure that you're downloading in PNG. Download the file. You're going to bring in this file again. If you're using Canva Pro, we need to remove the background. So we're going to add a new page. Bring this back here, and then we're going to edit it. If you're not using Canva Pro, you can always remove the background from remove.bg, so that you do that. Bring this in, so I would edit and remove the background. So you apply. To be sure that your background is removed, you can change the background color of this to something else. So I'm going to be changing the background color to, so you see that you have the background removed. So the next thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to fill this up with keywords that is going to be like on the background, which is actually going to give it the design that we want. Doing that, I'm going to go to photos and search for kiwi, or should I say eating kiwi. Okay, so you can see different ones here. So I'm actually going to pick the one that suits my taste. If at all you don't have Canva Pro, best you can do is you can go on Google to search for this kiwi of your choice and then remove the background and you are good to go. This one. So if I go with this one, I can just adjust it basically to fit exactly into the tasty text. So we're having it like this. No, we have done that. The next thing you want to do is you want to send this backwards. So detach from background and then have it on top like this. So now you can adjust it. The OLSS is ensuring it takes up all the space. There is no white space, there's nothing like that. So you have this, you're done. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to change the background. So it's easy for you to remove the background of this guy. So I'm going to change the background to yellow, of course. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to cover out this kiwi that is remaining on this part. And doing that, I'm going to bring in a rectangle and adjust this and change the color of the rectangle by, so you have all that. Oh, by the way, I'm just noticing some lines by this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image that I edit on the background remover option. Okay, so I'm going to select a brush to erase just the edges. Can we erase the edges just a bit? Just ensure that you're not erasing the alphabet itself. Then we're good to go. Okay, so we're done, and then we can actually see this. So best thing to do is we cover up each of the spots that looks kind of not nice. So to do that, you can just bring in all those guys, keep creating different rectangles to cover all the parts you just erased. Okay, now I have this guy completed. So the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to download this again. So click on download. Just ensure that you have this selected. So after downloading, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new page. We're bringing this in again, and we are going to be editing and removing the background. So click on edit, remove background. So we have the tasty guy. So if you change the background of this, you should be able to get exactly what we wanted. So here we have the tasty kiwi design. So you can now add anything that you want to add to this just to complete your design. Okay, so we have this. Then I could do something else by going to by going to images, and probably just want to add a kiwi leaf. I don't know how the leaf looks like, but okay, I would edit and remove the background. Yeah, okay, so I can now do this, position this at the back. Okay, so after doing that, we group them together. You can adjust it. Okay, I'm going to add this guy here. So let's just do this. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. You can see how the process of this guy from the beginning up to the end. So that's how you create fancy designs like this in Canva. I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video. Bye.